Hi,
Okay.
João.
Hi, Marta. How are
Hello.
you?
I'm great, thanks. So you're
Good.
in Aveiro, in the office of Aveiro?
Yes. Currently at home office, but yes, still in
Okay.
Aveiro, and I'm looking forward to go back to the office.
Yeah, today I was lucky to come. I came to the office in Porto, so I'm happy. Today is a
Nice,
happy day.
nice. We don't really know each other personally, but from what I know and what I've seen around in Slack, I know that your title is learning developer. What? And I'm just curious, what does that mean? What do you do
Yeah. Well,
on a daily basis?
the roles we have is always the starting point at Mindera all the time. So, and then we grow and do a lot of other things we discover to find interesting, and that we really find that there's a place to explore in Mindera. But learning developer basically is something that, well, tries to look at learning opportunities and that will be cool for people to experience in Mindera. So I don't actually plan out the learning that people are going to follow, but I try to create the conditions and to look for training sessions that would be really cool for teams to do, and to remind teams that they exist. I also give training in Mindera together with some other colleagues, Luis, Sofia, and Pedro. So we're basically learning geeks. I know that you think also the Mindera culture has something special. What's special about this culture for you, João?
Oh, there's so many things. Um, I don't know. I've just on a very simply, I've felt a lot of freedom from day one, and with freedom comes responsibility, and I guess that's great because it allowed me to grow as a person and grow as a professional, simply put. And I don't know. I'm very grateful for all that I've been able to experience, either while I'm doing my daily role as a front end developer, or when I saw something in the office that could have some kind of improvement. So yeah, just simply put, I think that's the things that really make me proud of being part of Mindera.
What's within the Mindera culture like impacts you every day? You feel that thing, particular thing in the Mindera culture, influences your everyday mindset, work, disposition to be there.
I believe that one of the things that I really value on Mindera is how the life-work balance is respected, and you are encouraged to take time off. You are encouraged to get rested. You are encouraged not to burn yourself.
So, João, in your learning path as a front-end developer, how does that learning happen?
Oh, it's constant. Well, on a daily basis, there's always new frameworks and documentation to be read, because I don't have much experience, and even though I don't have much experience, even if you're like a senior developer, you're always learning. It's very hard to keep up with everything new that's coming out. But I'd say that it's constant just because I have to be reading documentation every single day. It's it's very rare that some work comes up and I don't need to get myself with in touch with some documentation.
Do you learn new things also?
Yeah, on my free time, I like to just take a peek here and there and see new stuff, because I don't know, very interested in most of the things IT. So I like to learn new things, and on part, it's just because I know that there's the space to do that in Mindera. If someday I just don't want to be a front-end developer and I decide that okay, now I want to do back-end, I know that I can just study that and try doing some tickets on the back end side, and I can get support from the right people. And yeah, I think it's great that we have that opportunity here in Mandera.
Yeah, to learn and to do different things, different roles. Yeah, I also love that. Thank you, João. Nice talking to you.
Yeah, thanks.